In the heart of the valley, where the river once meandered freely, now stood a colossal structure of concrete and steel. The Waterford Dam. It was a marvel of engineering, a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. But its presence had forever altered the landscape and lives of those who called the valley home. Generations ago, the river had been the lifeblood of the community. Its gentle currents nourished the fertile fields, provided fish to the fishermen, and offered solace to the dreamers who sat by its banks. But as the population grew and industries flourished, so did the need for reliable water supply and electricity. Thus, the decision was made to build a dam. Old Tom, the village elder, remembered the days when he could hear the river's song from his front porch. He would tell stories of how the water shimmered in the sunlight, reflecting the changing colors of the seasons. Now, his view was dominated by the towering wall of the dam, its purposeful barrier silencing the river's voice. Construction was a tumultuous time. The valley echoed with the sounds of heavy machinery and the shouts of workers. Families were relocated, trees were felled, and the riverbed was reshaped. Yet, amidst the chaos, there was hope. The promise of progress and prosperity whispered through the valley like a breeze. Years passed, and the valley adapted to its new reality. The reservoir behind the dam stretched for miles, a vast expanse of calm water where boats now glided and children learned to swim. The hydroelectric turbines hummed tirelessly, powering homes and factories with clean energy. The fields, though smaller, were more productive thanks to controlled irrigation. But not everyone welcomed the changes. Some mourned the loss of the river's wild spirit, its unpredictability and untamed beauty. They missed the rush of rapids and the dance of sunlight on the water's surface. The dam had brought order and control, but at the cost of nature's freedom. As the seasons turned, tensions simmered between progress and preservation. Environmentalists argued for the restoration of downstream habitats, while engineers sought to optimize the dam's efficiency. Yet, in the midst of debates and compromises, a new generation grew up with the dam as their backdrop, a symbol of resilience and adaptation. One evening, as the sun dipped behind the dam's crest, casting a golden glow over the reservoir, Old Tom sat on his porch with his grandson. The boy listened intently as his grandfather recounted tales of the river's past. He spoke of the salmon that once leaped upstream, the herons that nested along its banks, and the wildflowers that bloomed in abundance. And despite everything, Old Tom said, his voice tinged with nostalgia, the river still flows within us. Its spirit lives on in every drop of water we use, in every story we tell. Nestled among the rugged terrain of the Mirpur district in Azad Kashmir, stood the majestic Mangla Dam, built on the Jhelum River. Its colossal concrete walls held back the waters, forming a sprawling reservoir that shimmered under the sun like a vast emerald. But beyond its engineering marvel, Mangla Dam harbored a secret that few knew, a flourishing oasis of greenery that transformed its surroundings. The story began decades ago when the dam was completed, and the waters of the Jhelum River were harnessed to generate electricity and irrigate vast tracts of agricultural land. Amidst this transformation, nature quietly reasserted itself in unexpected ways. The reservoir, stretching over 100 square miles when full, created a microclimate that breathed life into the barren hills and valleys. As the water settled, a gradual transformation occurred. Along the shores, where once dusty plains lay, lush greenery sprouted. Native trees like acacias and willows took root, their branches spreading